Hey guys, alright, so this is my 2017 bike check. Well, right now we have a fit frame, right? It's a stock fit frame because I really don't know. I got it from my friend for like 40 bucks.
He blessed you.
He blessed me. But I'm getting a new We the People Battleship frame.
Ian trying to finesse you. Shout out to Ian from the bike shop, bro.
Alright, so we got Aaron Ross pivotal keyboard seat right here.
Chris.
Connected to the Sunday seat post. Down to the pedals, we got Honolulu Odyssey PC pedals. Then we got some stolen Mob V3 cranks. I'm
Shout
not
out to
sure.
the Russ, bro.
I'm not. Oh my gosh.
Shout out to the bottom
Russ.
rack.
So over here, we got the Shao Conspiracy V2 interlock chain. Then we got connected to a Salt Sprocket. Shout out to Dale, he blessed me.
I blessed you,
He
bro.
blessed
For
me
free.
for free.
For free.
Alright, up here we got T1. We
Where's
got
the rip part?
The terrible one, right here. The terrible one,
Ripped.
grips. I do not recommend these. They're pretty trash. We got the Odyssey Lumberjack XL bar. Shout out to John.
Shout out to John.
Bless me for $25. Up here, the stem. We got the Federal stem. The changing things. I don't know. It changes, fades into gray. So then here we got the Odyssey headset, right? And then right here we got the R25 Odyssey forks. You already know.
Alright.
Hurrah.
Alright. Shout out to Mr. MacGyver.
Mr. MacGyver. Then we got plastic Primo pegs. Shout out to John.
Shout out to John.
Tofu.
Tofu.
Then we got stock kink.
Oh, I knew everything.
We got stock Kabuchi spokes, stock hub and mission rim. Because prior to this, I had a kink complete bike. So, you know. Then back here, we got the matching Odyssey tires right here. Matching white Odyssey tires.
Brand new, as you can see.
Yep. Then we got another Primo plastic peg. We got pink hub guard.
Shout out to Ian trying to finesse you, saying you need a new hub.
And then we got the stock wheel set, of course, from the mission. All right, that's my bike. That shit. All right, this is Daryl's bike check. Take like 100 because he doesn't know how to stand still.
I'm trying to do tricks,
All
homeboy.
right, so I'm gonna explain his bike because he doesn't want to explain it. So we got the Dylan Lloyd We the People frame, honey gold. Right here we got the LaGuardia guard sprocket.
Shout out to that sprocket.
Then we got the Shadow Supreme chain.
Bro, this shit is super thick. Like, look at that.
Then we got the stolen cranks
Shout out to
connected to the Odyssey twisted PC pedals.
I hate these pedals.
Up here we got the Odyssey grips
Aaron Ross.
and Ross. Then we got the Lumberjack XL Odyssey bars.
The ones you got.
The ones I got. Then we got the Salt Oil Slick sprocket.
Oil stick sprocket.
I said oil slick
He
sprocket.
said, oh my god, yo.
I said, my bad, oil slick stem. Then we got the Odyssey headset connected to this beautiful
Shout out to the chipping paint.
Beautiful 4 25 connected to this beautiful wheel. There's Primo oil slick.
I'm building a
hub.
new wheel. I'm just saying that.
Connected to this Kink Atlas 2 gold rim with this slick cult tire, the Die Hearts. Coming to the back, we have this Colony Wasp oil slick, the baby dick.
Oh yeah,
Listen to this baby dick.
Now watch in like 2 weeks. That shit gonna be like.
Alright, connected to that, we got Colony spokes with this Stranger XXL rims.
Bro, shout out to
Right.
these rims, bro.
Shout out to the rim. So this was I forgot the seat.
Oh yeah.
We got the We the People smuggler seat. You know, shout out to that zipper.
Bro, shit gonna break.
We got the We the
Oh, shout out
People
to the
seat
Sabrosa
post and the Sabrosa lights.
Oh, hold
So-
on. I think I should ride up some steps for them.
So this is Daryl's.
Wait, should I ride?
This is Daryl's bike check.
Should I ride some steps?
And now we're gonna get some
I'm riding up
clips.
some steps.
And now
I'm
we're gonna get
riding-
getting some clips. Trash.
See a pull a bar.
No.
Ah.
Woo. Hey, Smith the double.
what I did.
I don't know either, but it's alright.